Indian Railway Group D Requirement Notification 2023. Apply online. Start date. The Indian Railway Recruitment Board recently announced a latest job vacancy for the recruitment of Group D post 1,70,000 vacancies. Apply through online mode. So dears, those candidates eligible and interested for this post, please visit our website and read all the required notifications carefully. Here you know about all the required criteria such as educational qualification, age limit, salary, important notes, important dates, important documents, selection process, application fees, and how to apply. Details: organization name, Indian Railway; type of job, regular basis; category, central government job; name of the post, Group D and Group C; application mode, online mode; who can apply, all India candidates; place of posting, India; last date, November 2023; gender, both male and female; eligibility criteria, educational qualification, candidates must have completed 10th or plus 2 and graduation from a recognized board or university with knowledge of local language. RRB Group D vacancy zone wise vacancy details: Ahmedabad, Ajmer, Allahabad, Bengaluru, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Bilaspur, Chandigarh, Chennai, Gorakhpur, Guwahati, Jammu Srinagar, Kolkata, Malda, Mumbai, Muzaffarpur, Patna, Ranchi, Sikandarabad, Siliguri, Thiruvananthapuram. Age limit: as per requirement notifications, candidates age limit is minimum age 18 years, maximum age 38 years. Age relaxation as per government rules: OBC 3 years, ST, SC and PWD 5 years, ex-servicemen 5 years, PWD plus SC and ST 15 years. Selection process: candidates selected by the process of number 1 written exam, number 2 PET exam, number 3 document verification, number 4 medical exam, এবং number 5 final selection. Application fees: for general candidates 500 rupees, for EWS candidates 500 rupees, for OBC candidates 500 rupees, for PhD and female candidates 250 rupees, for SC and ST candidates 250 rupees. Indian Railway Group D Requirement 2023 important documents: number 1 HSC certificate and mark sheet, number 2 plus 2 and ITI certificate and mark sheet and computer certificate, number 3 signature, number 4 caste certificate, number 5 Aadhaar card, number 6 residential certificate, and number 9 self attested passport size photo. Important dates: apply start date October 2023, apply last date November 2023. Railway Group D Requirement 2023 important notes: before fill the application form, candidates carefully fill up and then apply. If any type of incomplete or false, then it to be cancelled and rejected by the authority. Indian Railway Group D Requirement 2023 how to apply online. Number 1, firstly you visit the official website and see its official notification. Number 2, candidates carefully read all notifications before apply this job. Number 3, then which details required please enter. Number 4, when registering the form, the candidates must have notes all the required documents. Number 5, upload your recent passport size photo and signature. Number 6, and then a declaration form, the candidates carefully read it and agree to it. Number 7, if fees is to pay, then the candidates pay application fees. Number 8, candidates can use any online payment such as credit card, debit card, through UPI and net banking, etc. Number 9, you have not to pay fees for this form, apply online. Number 10, then Last click on submit button.